So to set up networking, you're going to plug everything in, plug the router and the PC together, preferably with an Ethernet cable. If you can't do that for some reason, then it will select the Wi-Fi, but Ethernet works a lot better. Some of the games just do not work unless they're on Ethernet, so strongly recommended. Need to turn the config menu on in the settings menu right there, as we've shown in other videos. It's already on, so I can go to the config menu. Now, every PC will ship as player 1 unless we've pre-configured it for you. If you order 2 PCs at the same time, we might already have it configured player 1 and player 2. If you need to convert one to player 2, you do that before you configure the router. You're gonna run the router auto config on each machine that you have, player 1, 2, eventually 3 or 4. So all you really do is hit router auto config. It's going to read what player you are, what your MAC address is. It's going to log in, of course, first. And it is going to go to the appropriate places and set you up. And then reboot the router. Just did it all automatically. So this time we're configured as a player 2, which we're just going to confirm by going into System Info and double checking. It will tell us right here that we are configured as player 2. So we'll go back to the config menu and do our auto config again as a player 2. And now we are configured as a player 2 machine. These two are now ready to network play together. It's really that simple. There is also a manual router config right here. This will allow you to program the router manually. We do have some videos about this, or we can give you a walkthrough as needed. That's about it. We think that's a really cool feature, and we look forward to getting a whole bunch of you racing 2, 3, 4, and more cabs together.